Disease is not a moral failure. Suffering is not proof that someone has failed spiritually. Etymologically, disease originally meant a lack of ease, discomfort, distress, trouble, uneasiness. So when I say disease with a hyphen, I'm using that older meaning as a teaching lens. But the order matters. Life begins in rhythm. When rhythm is lost, coherence begins to break. When coherence breaks, alignment begins to fail. When alignment fails, harmony is disturbed. And when harmony is disturbed, ease is lost. That is disease. In scripture, we might call this the divided heart. The psalmist prayed, "Unite my heart." James warned about the instability of double-mindedness. So spiritual disease begins when the soul loses rhythm. What they believe, what they think, what they feel, what they say, and what they live no longer move as one. When the soul loses rhythm, several patterns can appear. Fragmentation, when the inside and outside no longer match. Bypass, when pain is kicked and peace is performed. Erosion, when vitality drains slowly over time. And entropy, when coherence collapses and the soul feels scattered. These are not labels for shame. They are early signals. They tell us something has lost rhythm and the soul is asking to return. Health, then, is not just the absence of symptoms. Etymologically and spiritually, health is wholeness. It is the undivided heart. It is harmony. It is alignment. It is coherence. It is normal rhythm restored. And healing is the process of making what has become broken, divided, or diseased whole again. To heal is to move from divided to undivided. To heal is to restore normal rhythm. To heal is to bring soul, thought, emotion, speech, action, body, and spirit back into sacred alignment. Every disease has a spiritual layer, and that spiritual layer begins when the soul loses its rhythm. At first, the soul often whispers. It may whisper through tension, through restlessness, through fatigue, through repeated reactions, through silence, through the feeling that something inside is no longer moving as one. But if the whisper is ignored long enough, the body may begin to speak louder. This is where disease often begins. Not first as a diagnosis, not first as a visible disease, but as a rhythm break. Symptoms are not enemies. They are your body speaking. They may have many medical causes and they should be taken seriously. But in this framework, we also listen to symptoms as invitations. The body may be saying, you have lost rhythm. You have lost coherence. Something needs to be restored.